Hi friends, welcome to Shazi Educational TV. Today, we're going to learn alphabet letters with fun. Are you ready? Let's go!
Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
A is for apple, crunchy and sweet.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
B
my
is for bunny,
ABCs.
funny soft feet.
Next time won't you sing with me?
C is for castle, tall by the sea.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
D is for
I, J,
dinosaur,
K, L, M, N, O,
stomping with
P,
me.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
E is for
Now I
elephant,
know my
ears so wide.
ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
F is for flower, colors so bright.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
G is for guitar,
T, U,
strum,
V,
strum, strum.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
H is for
time
hippo,
won't you
boom,
sing
boom,
with
bum.
me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly, wiggle wobble glow. K is for kangaroo, hop so high. L is for ladybug flying by.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
M is for monkey,
T, U, V,
swinging from the trees.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
N is for nest,
ABCs.
tucked in the
Next time
leaves.
won't you sing with me?
O is for owl,
A, B,
who hoots
C,
through the
D,
night.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
P is for penguin, in black and in white.
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with
Q
me?
is for queen, with a gown and a crown.
A, B, C, D,
R is for
E,
rocket,
F, G,
zooming past
H,
town.
I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
S is for sun,
W,
so big and so
Y,
bright.
and Z. Now I know my
T is for tiger, a stripy
Next time
delight.
won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D,
U is for umbrella, to keep out the rain. V is for violin, a musical strain. W is for whale, in the ocean so deep. X is for X-ray, while you're fast asleep.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
Y is for yo-yo,
W, X,
going up and then
Y,
down.
and Z. Now I know my
Z is for zebra,
ABCs.
with the
Next
best
time
suit in
won't
town.
you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
A for
I,
apple,
J, K,
A for
L, M,
ant.
N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
B for
Z.
ball, B
Now
for bat.
I know my ABCs.
C for cat,
Next time
C for
won't
car.
you sing with me?
D for dog, D for duck. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hen. I for ice, I for igloo. J for jug, J for jam. K for kite, K for key. L for lion, L for lamp. M for monkey, M for mango. N for nest, N for nose. O for orange, O for owl.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you
P for
sing
parrot,
with me?
P for pen. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rabbit, R for rose. S for sun, S for star. T for tiger, T for tree. U for umbrella, U for unicorn. V for van, V for violin. W for watch, W for whale. X for x-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo.
Now I know my ABCs.
Z for zebra, Z for zoo.
Sing with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.